back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, KnoKno Fury. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect nude lip combo suited to your skin tone. Okay. So I see a lot of people, wear nude lipsticks, and I've seen some people complain about them not having a bigger shade range of nude lipsticks for, dark skin girls, a little bit lighter than me. And I feel like this is something that anybody could do, this hack. So if you want to know what this hack is to get your perfect nude lip combo, then just keep watching. So the perfect nude lip. What is the perfect nude lip? I feel like the perfect nude lip is a lippy that's about 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Obviously, you can use a nude lipstick that's a little bit lighter than that if you want to, but I just feel like everybody has that one nude that will just make them pop, like the perfect nude on them. And I feel like it will be one that's like 1 to 2 shades lighter than their skin tone. So how do you find that perfect nude? I'm gonna show you how. I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer, okay? Don't fry my teeth or my lips. When I get a bag, I'm getting my teeth fixed.
But anyway.
So you're gonna want to start off with brown lip liner. I know my lip liner is super small, okay? I gotta get a new one. Mind your business, okay? So I see a lot of girls, specifically my complexion or even darker, even light, even a little lighter. I see girls wear nude lipsticks and it bothers me so much because they wear these nude lipsticks that are so pretty, but it's just like they don't wear lip liner. And it's like when you wear a nude lipstick that is like 3 shades lighter than your skin tone, maybe 4, and you don't wear a lip liner, it looks like you ate powdered donuts. And I'm just like, I just want to throw them a lip liner, like, please put this on. But it's okay, because you're watching this video and that obviously shows that you care about yourself. So you're gonna start off with brown lip liner. You're gonna line your lips. You're gonna line your lips pretty thick. So I like to line pretty well within my lips. So I line my lips pretty well, as you can see. Now what we're going to do, this is the fun part. You're gonna take a concealer. That's right, I said it, not a lipstick. You're gonna take your concealer, the one that you highlight with, and use that as your lipstick. So this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh in the shade Dark 17N. This isn't like a concealer for anybody else but myself, so I am gonna apply it directly to the lips. If you are using your makeup on other people, I don't suggest this. I suggest to use a lip brush. So it's gonna, every time I blend my lips, my Cupid's bow gets hidden. Okay, so once you've dabbed that on, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna go in with your favorite clear gloss. This is the Essence Shine 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 gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss. If I can open it. And it's only $3. Best lip gloss I ever used, and it's only $3. You're gonna, and then voila, your perfect nude combo. So this is for my girls, my girls or my guys, I'm sorry, let me be inclusive. If I want to find that perfect nude, use your concealer. Like, come on, come through, lips. I absolutely love this combo. Super pretty, especially if you wear like a dark eye and you want like the perfect nude to pop. Now if you do want your nude lipstick a little bit lighter, I suggest using an even lighter concealer in combination with the concealer that you used. You don't want to just use that light one alone. It may be a little bit off unless you like that look. But yeah, there you have it, you guys, your perfect nude lip combo. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps your girl out. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.